I'm doing both jiu-jitsu and strength training, and both use a lot of grip, so put a lot of stress on this tendon here. Now, I'm very prone to injury, and I was also wondering why that is. Maybe I'm going too hard, maybe I don't have the build, maybe I'm genetically just not blessed, right? But last couple of weeks, I was starting to think more about why maybe I'm more prone to injuries and other people are not. Okay, so as I'm saying, jiu-jitsu, we're wearing pajamas, we're gripping a lot, and the problem that I see is that when I'm gripping, I have a tendency to just use my arms. And by doing so, you put a lot of stress on these tendons and ligaments. The same thing if you're doing curls or other type of isolation exercises. If you really focus on squeezing those forearms and biceps, you really put a lot of stress on these tendons. And that got me thinking, like, is this the way to go? Is this really what we need to do? And the more I started looking into jiu-jitsu, the more I realized that even for guys that are matching me strength-wise, like in the gym, they have like the same type of strength, they feel a lot stronger than me. And I couldn't really comprehend. Yes, I'm not doing manual labor, so if you're doing manual labor or if you're in the military and you're regularly training, okay, you have more capacity. That I understand completely. What I realized is that maybe I'm just inexperienced, and if I'm gripping too superficially. I'm gripping with my arms, right? Instead, what I need to do is I need to grip with my full body. Instead of, I use my fingers as hooks and I use my lats and my complete body to make sure that I have a connection, and that alleviates a lot of tension out of these forearms. Now, how did I came about this? Basically, I was in a metro and I was like standing here and I was holding on to the handle just to not move around too much. And what I noticed was that all my tension was in my forearms and my arms. And yeah, I have one weak spot actually here. So if I'm gripping too hard, I feel it a lot in my tendon. Now, what I did instead was I just hooked around the handle and I started to pull from my lats, and I noticed that a lot of the tension dissipated away from this area. So I was thinking, hey, maybe that's something that is not only applicable to jiu-jitsu, but it's also applicable to whatever training you're doing or in real life. Like if you open a doorknob, maybe without thinking about it, you just turn and you put, maybe, especially if your tendon are already sore, you put a lot of stress on there, but maybe you just need to use your arms or your complete body to open that door, and maybe that will get you less pain. Another place where I realized this was on the pull-up bar. Now, before I was squeezing for dear life when I did pull-ups, and then maybe I used my lats, boom, right? And especially with the one-arm pull-up, I aggravated this tendon a lot. And what I realized was I need to think about this more whole body, right? More holistically, not only lats and forearms and biceps, although these are the working muscles, but I need to think throughout my full body and pull from my core out and use everything. I'm not talking about doing this. No, I'm talking about making full tension throughout my body from my core out so that I can pull up with a lot more ease. Boom. Now, that same principle is seen throughout martial arts. If you're hitting somebody, you're not just hitting someone with your arm, you're hitting from your leg, through your body, into your arm. So you're doing a full body movement so that you can exert more force and that not everything is carried in your shoulder or your arms. The same goes for pulling, but that's basically a less common action that we perform. But we want to pull from our core, from our lats, and screw in so that we're not just using our forearms, but we're actually using our full body. And that way we're going to put less stress on those ligaments. Already talked a lot about this on this channel, is where your focus goes, your energy flows. And that's a quote from Eric Thomas. What I'm saying is, it's not because you squeeze hard that you're not going to use your lats. Your lats are still going to be the main muscle when doing pull-ups. It's just that you put too much energy into those tendons, into those ligaments, and that you overload the system here so that they get aggravated and they get injured. That's basically the whole idea. So by taking off the tension, the unnecessary attention to these tendons, you're going to be a lot better off. So yeah, try this one out, and I'm going to try this one out. In Jiu-Jitsu, it's specifically more difficult because I've been doing Jiu-Jitsu for already 6 years, and undoing the way of thinking of 6 years is a lot of work, but I think it's going to be worth it. And yeah, that is really something that I had on my mind that I wanted to share with you guys, and maybe it's going to resonate with you. And if it does, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you think it doesn't, let me know and we can discuss. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!